Nansha Bird Park, known as a paradise of birds, and there's more than 100,000 birds that came to Nansha started from December. Our idea came from one of the birds that live in there, which is before. MERAK Angelo is one of the Balinese dance, which represent about how peoples attract the hands by showing their stunning tail and move their body.
Basic concept: shelter for bird and human.
The initial concept of our work is how we can create a design that make it easy for people to enjoy the beauty of birds. It can be referred that the building is hoped to be able to unite the bird as objects that are enjoyed by people for their beauty, and the people as parties who enjoy the beauty of the birds inside a building called a bird shelter.
Analogy:
And for our design, we're taking the shape of a peacock as an analogical approach for the design. And there are three main parts of a peacock. They are head, body, and tails. So this is how we're taking the shape of a peacock to our design.
transformation. Design concept.
So these are the things that we implement to our design, such as people's feather-shaped roof cover, woven bamboo as the roof material, rooftop concept for the design, using iron join, and we're using bird calling too. And also we add some of the Chinese philosophy to our design, which are the Chinese lucky number and yin-yang concept.
Contraction. Elevation and section. Impression image. Impression video.